Hello everyone, hope you are doing alright and welcome back to this project. So today, as you can see, I'm working on what I've mentioned earlier, the in-betweens, meaning again the frames in between the key poses that I have created last time. So what I can talk about is something you might have heard about. It is called animating on ones, animating on twos, or animating on threes. This means that a drawing will be held on one, on two, or on three frames. Meaning that usually an animated movie is shot at around 24 frames per second. That means that if you are animating on ones, you will have to draw 24 drawings for 1 second of animation. If you are animating on twos, you will be drawing 12 drawings only, and on threes, only 8 drawings. Of course, at the end, the choice is meaningful because it will have an impact on the fluidity of your animation. So usually everything is drawn on twos because it will save time for the animator, and time is budget and everything. So if you can do this, most of the time you will. But if you are drawing an action scene, for example, you will try to work and to draw on ones because then the action scene will be clearer. You will have a drawing for every frame. And on trees, don't go over that because otherwise your animation will look like a bit choppy. And on trees, if you are animating something really like calm, you can do it. And what I've seen is that sometimes it can give the feeling of emotion movies. So that can be something you can explore. Okay. As you can see me drawing, maybe you've noticed something. My lines are a bit different, maybe a bit thinner or drawn differently. I have to tell you the truth. I started using my tablet because otherwise it would be just too long for me to draw everything. If you take just this sequence, it will be at the end around 300 frames, so as I'm animating mostly on twos, it will be something like 150 drawings. And to go a bit faster, I started to use my tablet. Of course, it is, as I've done it so far, still possible using your mouse, but then it might be slower because if you're not used to drawing with the mouse, of course it's fast with a graphic tablet. And I still, of course, for this sequence, haven't animated the two people that will be at the back. So that's why I need to hurry up a little bit on this. So I think if you don't have that much experience, like me, in doing 2D animations, maybe it will be easier to start with a shorter animation, like maybe even 5 or 10 seconds, if you can find a story that would fit that time. Of course, maybe I should have started with that, but now I'm in the middle of this project, so I'm not gonna stop it. At the end, I've calculated roughly for this project, I might have something like 1,000 drawings to do for the entire animation. And when I say 1,000 drawings, it's like including one drawing. If there is 6 characters in the shot, it's counted as one drawing. So that's still quite a lot, and it might take a lot of time, but I'm ready for that. And of course, at the end, it will give me a very great feeling of accomplishment and improvement, so that's why I'm not stopping as well. Okay, so now you can see that I'm not animating on twos anymore. I just ran out of time and just thought that, as usual, finish not perfect, so I'm just gonna make sure this is finished, although the animation might not be as smooth as it should be. What I will have to do next will be the cleanup, so this is just rough drawings. We'll have to go over every one of them and clean the drawing as much as I can before starting to do the colors. I'll see. I think I should not announce what I plan on doing next because maybe it's not exactly gonna be like I plan, but that could be the next steps. So hopefully I'll have the cleanup for the next time. And here you can see final results of this sequence. So it's about 6 seconds. Again, I'm sorry there is no 3D and there won't be any real 3D for a bit of time now, but I'm planning on going back to real 3D starting maybe from the beginning of next year. I'll let you know. But in the meantime, hopefully you got inspired as well by what I'm doing. Don't hesitate to comment, to like, to subscribe, and to let me know if that's still of interest to you and that you like what I'm doing. I'll see you next time. Take care everyone. Do some great work as well. Bye.